Hey, welcome to the future of AI. In this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can create your presentation within seconds using AI. This website is called Wondershare Presentory. Using this website, you can create AI-powered professional presentations within seconds. You just have to write a prompt and describe your topic, and their AI tool will create the whole presentation slides for you. The best part is you can also record your video and even stream your presentation on Zoom and other platforms. You can also edit your presentations and import images, videos, other PowerPoint slides in it as well. You can also add text, animations, and transition in your slides, and there is much more that you can do. So let me tell you how you can use this amazing software.
So first of all, you have to download Wondershare Presentory in your Windows. Click on free download to get started. You can find the link in the description box. Click on install to install it in your device. Once installed, simply open it and sign up with your Google account. Now here you will see two options. First, you can create video presentations. You can start from scratch, import PPTs, or use their pre-made templates over here. Second, you can create with AI. Here you will type a prompt and AI will create the whole presentation for you. So let's start by creating a video presentation. Now by clicking on new project, you will be able to create your presentations from scratch. Then you can also import your PowerPoint that are already made by you. Then you can also use their pre-made templates if you're a beginner. So now I have already a presentation topic on 5 tips to stay happy. So I will select a template according to my topic. So I will select my desired template, then it will be downloaded. Then you can also preview the template as well before using it. Once selected, click on use this template. So as you can see, this template aligns perfectly with my topic, making it easy for me to customize it according to my script. So I will simply click on the text to edit it, and I will write my topic instead of it. Now I will go to the second slide and edit its text as well. Now from the right side, you can edit your text as well. You can change the font, you can change the color of the font, you can increase or decrease the size as well. So I will keep changing the script from all the slides so it matches to my topic. Then you can also change the background of the slide. Just select whatever background you like and click on it. I will delete the images that were already present on the slide. Let's go to resources and see some more backgrounds. So I'm liking this pink background more, so I will select it, and then I will adjust my images and my text over the slide. You can change the color of the text, you can add background colors to the text, whatever you like. So I will adjust my text according to my preferences. Now click on import. You can import your photos, videos, PowerPoint slides, and share your desktop as well. So I will import my video over here. Then I will simply adjust the video over the frame. You can also play and check the video. Also, you can increase or decrease its size, or you can also rotate the video as well. You can also increase or decrease its opacity. So you can edit according to whatever you like. Now in the same way, I will edit the whole presentation. I will change the script. I will add backgrounds, images, videos, and PowerPoint slides to my presentation, and I will edit it according to my preferences. Now as you can see, I have added PowerPoint slides over here as well. This is really an amazing feature, like no other software allows you to add PowerPoint slides to your slides or videos to your slides. Seriously loving these features. So now I will just fast forward this process and I will edit my slides properly. So my slides are edited. Now I will add transitions and animations. So first of all, click on the animation option above. Then select the image to add animation. Then in the appear section, select any animation that you like or you want to add, and then see how it works. The numberings on the image shows that which image will appear first and which image will appear after that. Now you can set the order of your animations as well according to the numberings. Now to add transitions in between the slides, click on the 3 dots you see on the slide and click on add transition. There you will see some style of transitions. You can select whatever you want. Then click on set it to all screens and it will be applied to all the slides. Now there is also an amazing option of Teleprompter. If you are struggling to remember your script during the presentations, then this tool is for you. You can type here and read the script on camera while presenting by using this tool Teleprompter. So you can also directly import your scripts or write them over here. Then you can align your text, change the color of your text, set the play speed of the text and the opacity. Then you can also move this teleprompter and set it wherever you want. Now there is also an option of stream. You can present your presentations directly on Zoom meetings as well, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or whether you want to stream them on YouTube, Skype and Facebook. So this is an amazing option. Now you can also record your script for the presentation with your voice. Click on record to start recording. Now you can speak and record your presentation. Then you can also pause and play. Then click on this red circle to stop recording. Now from here you can preview your recorded presentation, and if you don't like any part of it and you want to trim it, then there is an option of trim and you can trim a part of your presentation as well. Then you can also increase or decrease the volume of your recorded voice. So once done, click on export, or if you want to do some changes, click on cancel. So my presentation is done. I will simply save it in my device. Now let me show you the final presentation that I created using Wondershare Presentory.
Hello, today I'm going to present 5 tips to stay happy. Taking care of your physical and mental health is very important to stay happy. Happiness leads to a happy life. So number 1 tip is, practice gratitude. Focus on things you're thankful in life and this will make you feel happy. Tip number 2 is meditation. It is a mental training practice that involves focusing on your mind, including your emotions. Just sit at a quiet place and focus on your mind and do deep breathing. Tip number 3 is to get enough sleep, because quality of sleep is important for emotional balance. Tip number 4 is to help others. Act of kindness and generosity can bring happiness. Lastly, prioritize self-care. Take care of yourself, love yourself, and you'll feel happy. Hope these tips were helpful. Thanks for watching.
So that's all, and this was simply amazing. I really love this presentation video created by Wondershare Presentory. Now let's go to the second part of this video and create our presentation using AI. Simply click on Create with AI. So here it's asking you to choose what you want to create. So I want to create a knowledge sharing presentation, so I will select this option. Now you have to write a prompt and you have to tell the topic of your presentation that you want to create. So I want to create a presentation on what is artificial intelligence. Now write your target audience. My target audience is YouTuber and influencers. Now add some additional information, like I have added, make it point to point and interesting. Now here you can see it has created an outline for the presentation. Now you can edit this outline as well. You can also click on regenerate the outline to regenerate it, and if you are satisfied, click on continue. Now here are some themes for the presentation. You can choose whatever you like. So I will choose this one. So here you can see their AI tool has generated the whole presentation for me within seconds, and you can see the theme and the script, everything looks really good. So now you can also edit this presentation according to your preferences. You can change the script, you can add images, videos, PowerPoint slides, transitions, animations. You can change the font of the text, the color of the text, and anything you want. You can then record your script in the presentation and also stream it on Zoom and other platforms like I told you in the previous parts. So in this way you can create your amazing presentations using Wondershare Presentory, and I'm simply loving it. Like now I don't have to struggle and put in hours of efforts to create my presentations. I can easily make presentation videos using Wondershare Presentory, and I would recommend you to give it a try.
So that's all. Please do like and subscribe to support me so I can make more future AI videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.